right, if you can't tell, it's a G35 05 model, all-wheel drive. Now if you're saying this car probably looks familiar, well, it was gone for about 2 years and now it's back. Let's just do a quick walk around. What's going on here? Before we get started, right there, driver side fender. In the bag right there, passenger side fender. Well, why the hell do you need fenders already? Maybe that. I'm changing that driver side fender. Obviously crashed up. Stock wheels, everything looks pretty simple. Right? Okay. Go around the back. Gotta get that off of there. Few scratches on the back bumper. Exhaust is still there. Right? Now again, you're probably saying this car looks familiar. Well, if you go back a few videos, this is my G35 X, which stands for all-wheel drive if you don't know, that I got rid of about 2 years ago, this June. Alright. It's still clean enough for my liking, but could be cleaner. I'm gonna have to take care of all of that. Right? And there you go. Another reason why I need a passenger side fender. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, it looks like a scratch, but it's actually pushed in. And we need a front bumper. What else we also need? 2 new headlights. The grille, that's fine. Let's see here. Now on the hair, I just hit it with the degreaser. It's been sitting there for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna clean all that up in a second, but yeah. See if you can make it out. It was a lot more dirtier than that before the degreaser hit it. It wasn't an accident. So the core support right here cracked, but that's pretty much the worst of it. Not too much of a safety hazard. I could live with it. But yep, so I got back my G35X after about 2 years. So now, excuse me, we have the family 4-door. Then boom, the race car. But yeah, so this is gonna be hell of a project, but I'm down for it. So stay tuned. And if you can't make out what that say, it used to say, you ain't about this life. But anyway, I'm happy about it. It's about to be my summer build, my project car. Go back about, I want to say maybe 10 videos ago, and you'll see what it used to look like. All right? Peace.